Hey guys, Eric Sargent, General Manager at Ed Martin Toyota in Noblesville, Indiana, and today we're going to show off this beautiful 6th generation 4Runner with a TRD Lift Kit. Let's get started. Okay, so for starters, we'll talk about the build on the truck. This is a 2026 iForce MAX TRD Off-Road Premium. So this is going to come standard with leather seats, JBL audio system. Obviously, it's a hybrid system because it's the iForce MAX. But we wanted to add a TRD lift kit on it, which long awaited. They are finally here. This is our second one that we've done, actually. So this is going to give us an additional 2.5 inches of additional lift on it. This lift kit comes with the built aluminum upper control arms. They do come in silver, and we have replaced them with the bronze Trailhunter ones because we're kind of a bronze out Trailhunter theme on this truck. But the lift kit does come with rear shocks, front shocks, and springs. Obviously, they're coilovers and they're already pre-assembled. It comes with new axles, comes with the built aluminum upper control arms. So it's a pretty comprehensive kit all in all, and we will go ahead and link in the upper corner to our install video if you're interested in doing that yourself. But this suspension does allow for fitment of the 34-inch tire with no problem. This is in a 285/70/18, which is essentially almost 34 inches, like 34.8 inches total on the Toyo Open Country AT3. So fits no problem with the mud guards, no rubbing of any kind with the Trailhunter wheel. We did initially try out a 285/75/18, which is essentially a 35-inch tire. And really there was no way of making that rub with the current wheel and offset that we have here. It was rubbing too much right here on this fender liner. It would have taken about a full inch or more of cutting on this bumper to make that work. So it could vary based on the wheel that you choose and your offset and so on, but we went ahead and downgraded it back to a 34 and it fits perfect. And honestly, the truck just looks perfectly proportional. So wheels and tires, again, Trailhunter wheels, Trailhunter center caps, OEM black lug nuts, Toyo Open Country AT3s, 285/70/18 tires. Okay, so underneath the car, we have the Trailhunter steel skid plate, genuine Toyota, and we have the ZR Tactical billet aluminum front recovery hooks, powder coated in bronze to match the Trailhunter theme. Continuing with the bronze theme, we went with the bronze emblem overlays. So we have the iForce MAX because this is a hybrid TRD Off-Road Premium. Same thing on the back, TRD Off-Road with bronze. And then as we kind of go around to the back, we're going to have our Toyota in bronze as well as the 4Runner in bronze and iForce MAX as well. I don't know of any way of getting rid of the chrome on this little iForce MAX emblem other than just pulling off that piece. We're going to go ahead and leave it. This truck is not pre-sold, it's available. So if anyone's interested in it, we'll put for sale in the title, but it is currently available for purchase. So we don't want to pull it off when somebody else may may want that. And then moving into the front, we went ahead and replaced the upper grille with the Trailhunter grille. So on a TRD Off-Road, you're going to have these matte black finishes on the fender flares and on the bottom part of the grille, as well as the upper grille. So this Trailhunter sheen matches perfectly. And of course, we're going to get the bronze Toyota lettering, similar to the TRD Off-Road grille, which is the same mold. This one has the bronze lettering versus silver lettering, and it's matte black versus a gloss black. We'll do a separate video, which we'll link in the corner for that as well. One and only real disadvantage of this particular upper piece grille, you are going to have the camera blank hole here for your camera. Obviously, it's already going to come mounted right here underneath of the millimeter wave radar sensor on this one. If you did replace the grille with the Trailhunter TRD Off-Road 20-inch light bar grille, which you absolutely can do, you can move the camera up here. Will require a camera relocation bracket or ordering the Trailhunter TRD Pro camera to have it up here. But if we moved it from here to here, then we're just going to have a hole down here. So in this case, we just went ahead and left it alone. I'm sure that some aftermarket will have a 3D printed plug right there at some point soon enough. But I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Please let us know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you're interested in this truck, it'll say for sale in the subject line. And if it's sold, then we'll just change it to sold depending on when and how you find this truck. That's a wrap on this 6th gen TRD Lift Kit 4Runner build. If you guys like it, please hit thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for future 4Runner content. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please ask. And if you're interested in any of the parts, check out parts.edmartintoyota.com or look at the video section notes for a full list of everything that we've added to this truck.